Hey everybody, welcome back inside the stash. So this is going to be my video to toss my hat into the second annual Porsche group build put on by the guys over there at the Scale Model Car Podcast. I was poking around my collection of my Porsches, and I decided that I have a whole pile of these Alpha model kits. Not all Porsches, of course, but quite a few of them. And this seemed like a good reason as I need to build one, so I'm going to throw in with the Porsche 911 GT3. This is pre-2020, like 2016 to 2018, I think. I'm not exactly sure what year this is supposed to represent. It's a 991. 911. I'd have to go look to see what years those are, and then there's the 991.2, and that's the other one of these they made that's just a GT3 RS, which isn't this kit, so it's irrelevant, but yeah. Anyway, I just inventoried this. It's all here. That's always good, because a lot of these kits I got originally, I never bothered to inventory, because I was just like, all the parts will be there. So yeah, I've gone through, I've checked this out, and it's all there. So yeah, don't expect anything with this for the next several months, as the IPMS Nationals in Wisconsin are coming up, and I am running a table for touring cars and GT3 cars at that event, and so my focus right now on building are things of that nature, touring cars and whatnot. So I know the group build ends at the end of September, and that'll give me almost 2.5 months to get to deal with this when I get back from Wisconsin, which should be plenty of time. There's only 50 some odd or 60 some odd parts to this, counting like clear parts and the tires and wheels being separate pieces. Even, you know, you wouldn't count this as separate pieces in real life. I have a color picked out for this that I have to get made up to color match, and I got to check to see if I could find the wheel color one way or another for it. I could probably mix it myself, but I'm lazy. So if I can find somebody that already has it made up or something close to it, go with that. And yeah, that just a short little video to say that I'm going to participate, or try to anyway. This is a real simple, again, kit. It's complicated in the sense it's got lots of PE and stuff like that, but I said in parts count it's like 60 pieces. The chassis on this is piss on a plate flat, so paint everything on the bottom black and run with it basically. There's not even an exhaust system to this other than the tailpipes that come out the back of the car. So yeah, a little bit of PE bending, and you know, the excitement that always is trying to get these flat acetate windows to go around compound curves and stuff like that. But otherwise, yeah, shouldn't be too terrible. So that'll wrap this one up. See you guys on the other side.